Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I'm so happy that you're here. I am starting to get on the mend. It's like day 4 of being sick, but I'm still trying to finish up. I'm leaving here and very shortly I will be, this is my last chance to film. So I'm filming it right now. I just got my Walmart box in the mail today, so I wanted to go over it and see what's in here. It's going to kind of rearrange some of the other things that I had planned, but that shouldn't matter too much. I was trying to film a few things ahead of time since I will be unable to film while I'm working this next month. So if you haven't already subscribed, please do consider subscribing. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and let me know what you got in your Walmart and what you think of my Walmart. All right, so I just took the wrap off of it. I have version 4. I didn't even get a notification that this had shipped or anything. Walmart's really crazy about that. All right, so we have the box. I just took the card off, and let's see what we have. First up, CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. Kind of boring. I get these quite often. I should probably start passing some of these along because I think I have so many of them. Next up, we have the Shop. It's a daily exfoliating cleanser face wash. Okay. Those little scissors threw me off. Like, is that part of the Shop? But the scissors threw me off. Okay, so full size retails for $9.97. I don't see the CeraVe listed. Then we have this little guy here. This is a liquid bronzer from Physicians Formula. I just have been working through all of my bronzers, testing them out, decluttered a couple of them. So that's what this guy looks like. This retails for $13.48 for full size. I'm not going to swatch it just because I'm still kind of sick and I don't want to get anything, you know, dirty. Not dirty, but like contaminated. That's the word I'm thinking about. Then we have Mega Babe Thigh Rescue Anti-Friction Stick. Full size is 2.1 ounces, so this is 0.81, and it retails for $13.97. I have another one of these from First Aid Beauty. Maybe I've never needed them, but maybe I should just pass that one along and pass along the other one because I haven't had a need for it. I know people do, but I haven't. I don't know. Maybe it's just because of the clothes that I wear. Then we have the Ava NYC Therapy Session Hair Mask. Okay, so what do we do? 2 to 5 minutes. Definitely will be passing this along. Full size retails for $15.97. So this is 2 ounces out of 16. And then they gave us a bag. Oh my gosh. I have never seen a bag in the Walmart beauty box before. It's kind of nice. It's just like a, I don't know, linen-ish burlap, somewhere in between. I don't know what the material is called. I should, but I don't. So you got this one as well. And that's it for version 4. Interesting. It was $6.98 plus tax. I'm kind of sick of seeing these CeraVes in almost every box. I get something from CeraVe, and I get that it's kind of a staple, but I'm just kind of sick of seeing them. I think this one could be good for people. The chafing or the anti-friction thigh rescue. I haven't found that I need for it, and I'm not trying to say that I'm skinny or anything, because I'm definitely not. I'm like a large, extra large most of the time. But it's just not something that I've ever noticed, if that makes sense. And then we have the hair mask, which I will be passing along. Normally would be good, but I don't have patience for that. So I'm going to keep 2 of the things. I'm going to keep the Physicians Formula Butter Glow. Hopefully this is light enough. Did it say what shade it comes in? This is in bronze. I don't know. Yeah, it's sealed. I'm going to leave it sealed because I probably won't get to it till next year. And then I'm going to keep the face cleanser. I always like trying new face cleansers. Does it say anything? Nope, just exfoliate and unclog pores. Okay, and I like the bag. So we got 6 items. The bag was one of them. 2 that I'm keeping, 3 that I'm going to pass along. Let me know what your thoughts are. Did you get Walmart? Are you excited that they gave a bag? What are your thoughts on CeraVe? I think it's a fine moisturizer. I'm just kind of sick of seeing it. That's the only thing that I have against it. Anyway, I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time.